In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Stripe payment. Whether you're a business owner managing your own subscriptions or someone overseeing billing for a company, knowing how to navigate the Stripe dashboard is essential. Let's make sure you feel confident about the process. First, you'll need to log into your Stripe account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Stripe dashboard. This is your central hub for all things payment related. Here, you can keep track of transactions, manage your customers, and importantly for today, handle billing tasks. The next step is to head over to the billing section. You'll see a menu on the left side of your dashboard. Look for the option labeled Billing and click on it. This section contains all the information related to subscriptions and invoices, making it your go-to place if you need to modify or cancel payments. Within the billing section, you'll find various options like invoices, products, and pricing. But what we're interested in right now is subscriptions. Click on Subscriptions, and you'll see a list of all the active subscriptions associated with your account. Take your time to locate the specific subscription you want to cancel. It might be straightforward if you only have a few, but if you've got a long list, pay close attention to customer names or descriptors to help identify the right one. Once you've found the correct subscription, click on it. This will open up more detailed information about that particular subscription. Here, you can see the customer's details, the plan they've subscribed to, and other relevant information. Now, to proceed with the cancellation, look towards the upper right corner of the Subscription Details page. You should spot an icon with 3 dots, also known as the ellipses. Clicking on these ellipses will provide a drop-down menu with several options. In this menu, one of the options will be Cancel Subscription. Before you click, it's worth taking a moment to ensure you're selecting the right subscription because this action will halt any future billing processes for that plan. After selecting Cancel Subscription, Stripe may prompt you for a reason for the cancellation or ask if you're sure you want to proceed. This is to double-check that no accidental cancellations occur. Confirm your choice and you're done. The subscription is now canceled and you'll no longer be billed for the service. It's always a good idea to keep track of changes like this, so consider noting down the cancellation in your records. If you're using Stripe for business, keeping thorough records will help maintain accuracy in financial management. And that's it. You've successfully canceled a Stripe payment. Remember, being able to manage subscriptions efficiently can save you time and effort in the long run. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.